Alright, so the video that we are doing today is going to discuss terms involving 6.1 through 6.2. And to start with, we're going to start with a solvent. A solvent is something that is able to dissolve other solvents. So basically, it's this water over here. This would be a solvent. A solute, however, be the sugar right here. So this would be the solute. Now this combined together would be a solution. A solution is a liquid mixture in which the minor component is distributed in the solvent. The solute is the minor component in the solution dissolved in the solvent, and the solvent is something that is able to dissolve other substances. Now the melting point is the temperature at which a solid will melt. So let's say if I were to get this water again, or boiling point, I'm sorry. The boiling point is the temperature at which a liquid would boil. So let's say I would get this water. I take a pan. Let's see if I can get a pan. There's one. Pour this water in it. I'm doing a project. And then have this boil. Now the melting point would be in where we get something solid, such as butter, and we would, I guess, get a plate. And we would scoop it up. And let it melt in the microwave. And we would wait for that to melt. So for the definition, the melting point is the temperature at which a solid would melt, and the boiling point is the temperature at which a liquid would boil. So as you can see, it's starting to simmer a little bit, it's starting to boil a little bit. And as you can see, the butter over here is melted, or is at least starting to melt. Now, an acid is a substance that can neutralize a base. Its characters is that it's slippery and sour. So it's be something like this lemon juice over here. Base, however, is something that is basically the opposite, something that can neutralize an acid. So it's this baking soda over here. And this all would go through a pH scale, and where I'm doing a project right now. 1 through 6 is an acid, and 8 through 14 would be a base. A disperser is a type of mixer used to rapidly break apart lumps of powdery material. So I'm guessing that it'd be this this blender right here. And lastly, a phase change is a change from one state to another state without a change in changing chemical compounds. So let's get this ice. Now, if I were to do this, hold it in my hand for as long as I can. Just hold it in my hand. Try and get it to melt faster. As you can see, it's starting to melt, turn into water, turn into a liquid. This would be an example of a phase change. If the liquid, however, were to be heated, then it'd be gas, and that'd be another example of a phase change. Therefore, this would be my vocabulary video that I'm kind of doing. So thank you, and you guys have a wonderful day.